Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm here with our good friend Ruby. Ruby, our friendship started about 2 years ago. Is when I first came out and initially came out to service your system. At that time, I know you had several other companies come out and were dealing with your system. At that point, what was the I guess turning point, or what made you decide to move forward with us and continue this friendship?
Because when we had the other guys come out, other companies come out, they would come and fix something and then they would leave, and then I'd have to call back a couple of months and then it would be something else. And I felt like we were just wasting so much money, and they would never tell us, like fully check the system and let us know what's going on. And then when I called you guys, y'all came out and, pointed everything out, showed us pictures, told us this, told us that. And also, you guys helped us with getting financing to go get a brand new system, versus we had already thrown thousands of dollars away before you guys came.
Yes.
So we appreciate it, that y'all were honest and showed us everything.
Right. That's one thing here at Amazing Airs. We try to provide options for people, and at the end of the day, let you choose what's best for you and your family.
Yes.
Second question would be, since our friendship started 2 years ago, each time we've come out and do the annual maintenance for you, how would you say the level of services each time we come out?
It's amazing. It really is amazing because, like I said, you guys show me everything. I feel like you guys don't take advantage, in other words. You know what I mean? And you guys, it's always the same guys that come over. Like, I feel like I know you, Julian, because it's always you or Roy that comes over and stuff. And like I said, y'all respect my home. Y'all are super friendly, very professional and stuff. And why change what's not broken? You guys, you know what I mean? Go above and beyond, and I appreciate that.
Awesome. Well, we definitely appreciate the opportunity and you giving us the chance to show that for you. Last question would be, if there's somebody maybe on the fence that wasn't quite sure whether to go with us or another company, what would be one thing that you could say that would help them maybe make that decision?
The honesty, like I said, the honesty and the professionalism. Like I said, you guys, with my husband always being gone, like I said, I don't feel like you guys take advantage. You're honest, and like I said, you have the proof. You show me. So if anybody's on the fence, honestly, these guys are like family. They've always treated me good. They've treated my family good. They've treated my home good and stuff. And I will never go with anybody else as long as I have them. So
awesome. Once again, we definitely appreciate the loyalty and not only the loyalty, but building the friendship with you. Like you said, every time I come out, I feel like I know you, and we have that connection to where we can just be friends, and of course business and stuff. But it's nothing that
like we have conversations.